Time to find a road back to myself. I'm all alone, cause now you're gone and no one's here. All of this pain I deserve, but when you left me, it still hurt, and I'm standing in the darkness. Beat up, I've done. I'm trying to move on, but all the guilt is hitting me at once. I hope you're happy.
Okay, LJ. Yeah, yeah,
So this video is going to be on this beautiful wig. This is the Zavina wig. I will have all the pros and cons of this wig. I'm going to show you the middle part, side part, ponytail. This wig is so amazing. It is a synthetic wig. It curls so nice, or I should say flat iron so nice. I'm just going to take you through the whole process of this, so stay tuned. All the links will be listed below.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Alright, so we're just going to get right into the tutorial of this wig, or the review of this wig. It is going to be, again, the first time that I'm wearing it. And this is the hand-tied 3x4 Swiss lace, lace front. And so this is how it looks if you were looking for it. That's the girl on the front. It's an ear-to-ear large lace. It's supposed to be a very natural hairline. I had already took it out the box to look at it, but it's wrapped very nicely. But I just wanted to see what it looked like. And just so you can see, this is the large lace front. There are 2 combs here on the side. Adjustable strap in the back, as well as a comb. Hope you can see it. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm not gonna cut it on me because it's kind of hard. I got these scissors here. These are the Conair scissors from Target. They were like $13. Wig is just synthetic. I had thought it was a human hair blend, but it is synthetic. Yep, premium synthetic wig. It's not a blend. I'm not gonna tighten the strap. I'm just gonna put it on and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So you gotta be careful with this one, y'all. I just ripped the mess out of this wig. The lace. Just pulling it, and I was not pulling it that hard. It just ripped. Look. Yeah. Not happy. But that's what I get. I did not adjust the straps to make them tighter, and this is pretty tight. And I guess that's why they kind of brag about the, man, this wig is nice too. I don't even know. So I'm gonna make this a frontal, because I can't leave that like this. So I'm gonna have to cut this right here. So it's gonna turn into a frontal now, y'all. Oh, so mad at myself. So I'm cutting this part. Ooh, I don't wanna cut my hair. Cut that off. All of that's gotta go. Oh, burn it. Really, more's gotta go because I ripped it all the way up to there. So it's just human nature to make mistakes. I hate that because this is a really nice wig. I really, really like it. And so I'm just gonna cut that off to there. All right, so it's salvageable. So it's probably gonna shed for a little bit. So let me pull my comb out here. Basically, this is really, really, really nice. I'm so disappointed in myself. But let's just go ahead and fix it. I'm not gonna do any got to be glue right now. I got the color. Honestly, I don't remember ordering this one, but it's nice. But this is a 1B in color. And yeah, it is a pretty natural hairline. I will say that. Yeah, I want a curvy part. Just something different. I'm so mad. But this is very nice, I will say that. So I'm gonna back up a little bit I got my flat irons plugged in. I'm really enjoying doing these videos. A lot of my friends are enjoying it. Yolanda, Chase and LaJohn, Kelly. Just really appreciate the support that I'm getting. And okay, so now I'm gonna curl this, or not curl it, I'm just gonna flat iron it to take. So you know how synthetic can have kind of a crinkly, like a very soft crinkly look, and so this does. So I kind of want to take that away. Okay, this wig is so beautiful. Okay, I mean, so beautiful. The hairline is so natural. I'm gonna pluck the closure just a little bit too, just the parting. I have the heating on 330. These are my Irresistible Me Diamond Series flat irons. Absolutely love this wig. Might have to order it again because I ripped it up. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to pluck my parting just a little bit, and then I'm going to layer my front a little bit more. So I got my tweezers here. I don't want to over pluck this. And then this is how long it is, just so you can see. This thing is so stinking pretty. I can tell though it's going to tangle a bit, which I'm okay with. Just not a lot, you know. But hopefully I can give you an update and tell you how much it did tangle. Now I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but I do want to layer the front just a little bit. Okay. Kind of frame my face a little bit. Just a little, and I'm going to do this side too. So anyway, just so you all know, I did get this off of blackhairspray.com. All the links are going to be in the down bar, but I just wanted to just bring just a quick video review / tutorial regarding this hair. This is so stinking pretty. I mean, I am thoroughly impressed. I love the Bobbi Boss wigs. I love how the hair looks. I love how real it looks. I'm loving it. I would say the inches on here, it goes, as you can see, here's the inches. So a little bit, I would say 4 inches from my bra strap. So what is that, about 24 inches, I would say. This is called the Zavina MLF 225. I got it in 1B. It looks so much more flattering in person than it does on this girl right here. They need to use a YouTuber or really fix it on, you know, when they're advertising it, just because I think they would sell more. Because some people are just taking chances on the look of it. But again, this is how the box looks. The Zavina. Very, very gorgeous. It's lightweight and airy. I just really like this. You can tuck it if you want behind your ear. And I just wanted to see how it looked without me doing, you know, the got to be glue and all of that. This is how it looks. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love it. I hate that I wore a black shirt. I apologize for that. But you can't, hopefully you can kind of see, and I'm gonna get a little closer to see the ends of it. And the hair, how real it looks. It's synthetic, y'all. Synthetic. A lot of people ask, are you able to put certain wigs into a ponytail? And I would say yes. Like, this is like so cute. Hey guys, so I thought it would be a nice thing to do to give an updated video on this wig. Now, I've worn it for 2 days, yesterday and then today, and I wanted to tell you how it was wearing it for actually a full day today, which was about 7 hours. I'm just getting back, so that's why my makeup probably looks a little bit, I don't know how it's looking. I have the Soft Glam palette on from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have the Anastasia Honey on my lips with a chestnut liner. So real simple, and then a little bit of a glow. But listen, my makeup literally is 7 hours old, probably 8. So anyway, I just wanted to give an update on this wig that I'm wearing, which is the Zavina, and how it worked wearing it. I literally have not touched it. I touched it one time, which was about 5 hours ago. I just kind of recombed it through. So I'm going to show you what it's like wearing this. I like to wear my hair split down the middle, and like, you know, I had it, you know, parted on the side. So I wanted to show everything, because I think in the earlier video I didn't really show, you know, my closure. But this is how I wore it. I wore it scooped behind my ears. And then I'm going to show you the tangling. So as you can see, it's a little bit of resistance in it. Literally have not combed it for about 5 hours. So a little bit of resistance. Actually, it's more resistance on this side. So I'm gonna have to really kind of get, it's easier to comb with like a water brush, or you know, those brushes, a lot easier than a comb. So that's how it's kind of combing out. That's how it's looking. I'm telling you, I'm in love with this. I absolutely love this wig. I got 1,000 compliments on it. It did get kind of tangled up on my necklace, but I just kind of wanted to show you how it's, you know, wearing. I just love the top of it. I love the naturalness of it. I think it's beautiful. So just wanted you all to check it out, and that is it. With me cutting the closure, really, it didn't, the frontal or whatever, me ripping it like I did was showing you how I put it on. It really did not mess it up. I mean, it wears still very well, I'll put it that way. So, and here's how it's looking underneath there. I did not do any got to be glue. You don't have to with this wig. All right, so that's that, and see you in the next one. I have to say, this hairline is amazing. Okay,